Okay, so here's the cream boy. It's about the same size as the other fella. He's just cream, but he's going to have the brown nose and the golden eyes as well. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come here, honey. What have I got? Hey, what's this? What's this, hey? What's this, hey? Oh, he's a good boy, hey? Oh, he's about. He'll be about the same, 25, 30 pounds. Might be slightly larger. They could be up to 40. Oh, yeah, two good puppies, yes. I don't see them as being overly large, but you never know. Let's go for a walk. You go, hey? Can I go for a walk with him? Oh, yes, I'm going to get it. I want to get that thing. I want to get that toy. I'm going to get it. Hey, what's this thing? You missed it. You missed it. Look, look, look. I threw the paper over there. Oh, silly boy. Silly boy. Huh? Come here. What's this? I get some better paper, don't I? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, it's a good puppy. Good boy. Good puppy. Good puppy. Good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Basically, that shows me an eagerness to please when they bring it back. Even if they go get it and come back, or they go to it and come back, that usually shows me that they want to please you. Some of them will just take it and run away. That's a good boy. Oh, it's a good puppy. Yes, you're a nice little boy, aren't you? Thank you for that. Oh, you want my toy? What's this? Oh, you want that thing? Oh, you want to go around in circles? You go in circles, hey, honey? Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, it's a good boy. Oh, yes, he's a nice puppy. Very nice little puppy. Yes, he is. He's a pup. Yes, he is. He's a good boy. Good boy, hey? Oh, please, you give that a tug, hey? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Come here, please. Come here. Let's roll you over. Roll you on your back, hey? What's a good boy doing, hey? Hey, good. Oh, yes, I know. I'm pretty good. Pretty good, but it's kind of crappy out here to be on my back, yes? So you can see again, he's got a beautiful non-shedding coat. Definitely fleecy. He'll probably be a little curlier as he gets older. Yes. Oh, but I like to be scratched. I can do it. Oh, I can do a belly rub. No problem at this point. When he scratches me, I'm just going to be full of it. Here we go. Okay, let's go, buddy. Come on. Let's get you guys all done so we can get the first video. So. Who's this guy? Oh, there he is. Here's that handsome boy. Here he is. Beautiful coat. Lovely, lovely fleecy coat. Yeah, non-shedding for sure.